I don't know what Brian is over there talking. I think bro trying to speak game. But what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari B's back with a POV, as y'all can see. I don't know what this POV is really gonna be at all, or what it consists of, to be honest. I'm just chilling, cooling right now. I ain't really like, planning on what I was gonna do. I'm just trying to stay consistent, y'all boys. So y'all boys just, what I'm saying? Just clap it up for me in the comment section for being consistent and thinking about y'all boy, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I don't know what OG. We're trying to spit to that young broad over there wiping her window. I don't know if y'all heard him, what they were talking about, but kudos to you, my boy. Kudos to you. But make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. Crack these windows a little bit for y'all, boy. Oh yeah. We're gonna go in custom mode, but we're gonna be in street today, bro. We ain't doing nothing too crazy. Just had a paddle shifter activated. You know what I'm talking about? Put my seatbelt on. Oh, light green. Can't put my seatbelt on. Hold on, y'all, boy. Let me get right. Let me get right, cuz. But yeah, man. Let me put this seatbelt on. Hold on. Oh. Alright, we good. We straight. Ooh, is that a Scat? Is that a Scat? Man, can you get right, cuz? I ain't gonna even do it. No, it ain't no Scat, cuz. I thought it was a Scat. I really can get this as a thumbnail, though. No kizzy. Cuz got the rims. Cuz got the rims I want. And we the same color, but he the older silver. That was the old silver used to look like. I'm trying to see if I can catch up with bro. Hey, y'all think I'm tripping for riding with the AC on and the window down? Am I tripping? Oh, not rich, you know what I'm saying? Rich folk do that, but it's a little hot outside, cuz. It's a little hot outside. But yeah, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. You feel me? I was trying to catch up to that art. Oh, okay. Hey. Let me give you a little thumbnail. Hey. He on the phone. Cuz on the phone. Go ahead trying to get those smoke, man. Cuz don't want no smoke, man. Y'all see Cuz in the bed. He don't want no smoke, man. But yeah, we just chilling today, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boy hit that subscribe button, man. On the road to 20K. Get your boy to 20K the quick way. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm trying to get bro to do something, but he don't want to do nothing, man. I just want to hit the gas a little bit. Hit the gas, twin. Lane. Nigga lane, man. Look at him. Nigga lane, cuz. Nigga on the phone caking, trying to be cool. Man. You got your mufflers off, but don't want to hit the gas, cuz. Oh, these folks trim. What wrong with y'all folks? Dang, turn in the parking lot or something. They ain't go down there. Dang. Good, something like that. Cuz turned off anyway. Cuz wasn't talking about nothing. Wasn't talking about nothing. But yeah, man. I don't really know what I don't know. We just recording today, man. We just recording. I'm talking and chopping it up with y'all, boy, man. You feel me? Having a conversation with y'all, man. We family. The Cari crew, man. You know what I'm saying? Cari crew. Your wind going crazy. But yeah, man. Y'all, boy, let me know how y'all feel about SRT, by Dodge. You know what I'm saying? Like, how y'all feel about Dodge? Y'all feel like Dodge is a pretty good car, bro, besides all the shenanigans about, like, oh, they heavy, you know what I'm saying? They get beat by car they shouldn't get beat by because they heavy. I'm just saying, off of the car alone, people that's driven, you know what I'm saying? People that's driven Scats and Cats and all that. How do y'all boys truly, honestly, you know what I'm saying, How y'all feel, man? Like, y'all like them? Are they fun? Me personally, bro, these cars are fun, bro. These are the most funnest cars you can drive without doing nothing to, like, besides just taking it off the lot and driving it, bro. It's the most fun you gonna get. It's like real life young nigga fun, like. That's how I look at it. Like, you a young nigga, like, you know what I'm saying? And you want something to really just pop it real quick, but not nothing too crazy, and you ain't gotta put a whole lot of money into it to do it. Just get one of these. Fast, like, just get one of these. That's all it take, bro. That's all it take to get you, you know what I'm saying, a dodge. Even RTs are fun, bro. You just gotta, like, you know what I'm saying? They're not as fun as a Scat, but they're fun. Like, it just depends on your preference and what you can handle and what you're used to, you know what I'm saying? That's how I look at it, but these are the most funnest cars to drive from stock, bro. Like, stock for stock, out of all the other cars, these are the funnest ones to drive, bro. All the other cars, you gotta, like, do a little something to them just to really, like, you know what I'm saying? Have that fun. Like, these cars got that torque, bro. Like, torque, it will make it fun. Horsepower is fun, too. Boy, it's so stink over here. Good goodness. Good Lord. I don't know what that smell is, but... Oh, it's a cat over there. I gotta show y'all that cat, bro. It's like... It got some kind of wrap on it, bro. It's like a, what you call that, John? What you call one of the wraps, bro? I forgot, but like a mirror wrap, you know what I'm saying? It gold. I know I'm getting off top of it. I'm all over the place. I'm just vlogging today. It's a car vlog. Car vlog POV. But I gotta show y'all that. Hopefully he ain't in it, or whoever this is. I seen it before, but them must go crazy. The rap crazy, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all see that? Y'all better see that cut. Ooh. Cuz got a yellow cat. Or whatever kind of cat that is to match. But yeah, what y'all boy, you know what I mean? What y'all boy think, man? Y'all boy rocking with that, cuz? Y'all let me know down below, y'all rocking with that or not. I'm just looking at it up close. Let's see what they talking about. They got a few little, like somebody done scratched it. Oh, bumper about to come off. Good Lord. Oh, that's an older one. That cat gotta be like a 2016. Something like that. Yeah, man, but anyway. These cars are the most funnest cars you can drive, man. Stop for stop, no cap. Like, the torque is insane. It spins to make it fun. You know what I'm saying? All that, bro, like, you just can't beat it, man. I know y'all boy like, man, them niggas just talking, ain't doing no driving. I just said it was a car vlog, bro. I just said it was a car vlog, bro. POV vlog, bro. But I know y'all boy gonna be crying, man. I'm like, why you ain't doing no sticking, bruh? Why you not doing nothing, bruh? Stick 'em. You know what I'm saying? Something slightly for y'all boy. I gotta give y'all boy one. But yeah, man, like, these cars are super fun, man. I know everybody be hating. They be hating because we got, you know what I'm saying, you can get 4 doors and go grocery shopping. Pick up all the girls, you know what I'm saying, and still have fun with all the other 2 doors. You just can get one person at a time. You feel me? They gotta be a certain size, you know what I'm saying? We get all sizes of it. Man, that nigga had his blinker on since he pulled out. I'm thinking you finna turn, and you got a dog. Okay, you is finna turn. But you had your blinker on since you pulled out the street, what? Going on, Forrest Gump. But yeah, man, he's the funnest car to drive, bro. Now about let me know though, you know what I'm saying? But to me, these are the most funnest to drive stop for stop. Not saying the other cars ain't fast, nothing like that, cause y'all know how y'all get. Oh, y'all say this, y'all think these cars are the fastest cars in the world. Oh, we don't. They make the best horsepower in the world stop for stop. They just heavy. We all know, bro, if Dodge had a 10-speed or if Dodge was 1,500 pounds lighter, nobody could be messing with us. Like, nobody could be messing with us, bro. It'd just be us against the world, ugly. Like, literally. That's how it'd be. It wouldn't be nothing crazy, nothing extra. You know what I'm saying? Niggas just have to respect it. Like, you just gotta respect it. But But yeah, like, y'all let me know though in the comment, like, how y'all feel about that. I feel like they the funnest car if you drove one. Everybody that be knocking them never drove one. Then when they drive one, they be like, or they get to drive their homeboy car, like, man, I ain't gonna lie, these mother smooth. These mother fun, bro. I done seen Chevy owners, Chevy heads, Mustang heads, like Camaro head, like, all of them, bro, say the same thing until they drive one, bro. They be like, no, this mother smooth, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This mother comfortable, like, it's comfortable, it's spacious. It's still American muscle all in one. It's not like, it don't feel like you gotta be in a rocket ship, you know what I'm saying? To drive it, like you gotta be cooped up, knees touching the steering wheel, like, you know what I'm saying? You just cooling, chilling. You cooling, chilling on your own, you know what I'm saying? Like, big body, you feel me? Like, man, y'all boys ain't hearing me, man. But yeah, y'all let me know though, how y'all feel. I feel like they're one of the top funnest cars. Definitely top two and not number two. But yeah, how I feel. But y'all let me know though. I'm just rambling right now. That's something that came across my mind. You know what I'm saying? We just recording and vlogging for y'all, boy. Sorry for holding the camera kind of weird. I'm just talking to y'all, boy. I don't be looking at the camera for real. Woo-hoo. Kid scream. Our apartment looks so through. Good lord. I ain't even never noticed them before. But yeah, man. Just some slight though. Some slight. Y'all boy comment down below, man. What kind of video y'all want to see, man? Comment all kind of videos, bro. POVs. Other car related videos, just, you know what I'm saying, video. What y'all like to see, bro? You know what I'm saying? Y'all boy might want to see something I never thought y'all would like to see. And I may have thought about it, but been like, man, these boy probably want to see that boring. You know what I'm saying? Because some stuff that boring to me, not boring to y'all. So, y'all boy just let me know, man. Y'all boy just let me know. Cuz-o. Like, but yeah. Y'all boy just let me know something, man. What y'all like to see, man. Y'all boy be being quiet in the comment section. Well, I want to say this too, though. I appreciate every person, man. Every single person that consistently watch my videos, bro, that show love, that hit the like button, all that stuff, man. I really appreciate y'all, bro. That really mean a lot to me, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm a small YouTuber. You know what I'm saying? I came from nothing. And I'm trying to turn nothing into something, you know what I'm saying? So, I appreciate y'all boy for showing nothing but love. I appreciate y'all boy showing nothing but love, man. You feel me? I appreciate y'all boy for showing nothing but love. But I'm chilling right now. I'm probably finna park over here and watch these boys hoop until further notice. But yeah, man, make sure y'all boys, again, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. Like I said at the end of my video, man, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. Sky's the limit, and you can touch it. Cari crew. And like I say for all my religious folk, man, keep God first. Keep him in the mix, you know what I'm saying? Stay prayed up, stay blessed. You feel me? Y'all boys, keep that faith, you know what I'm saying? Keep that faith strong. No, don't give up and don't, you know what I'm saying? Just 'cause stuff get hard, that don't mean you just be like, man, God, what going on, man? Like, feel like you ain't here. You know what I'm saying? Feel like I don't feel your presence. I don't feel your protection or nothing like that. He always there, man. Y'all just gotta stay grounded. You know what I'm saying? Stay grounded. Keep that faith. Trust in him, bro. Trust him. You feel me? Just trust him. It go a long way. But like I also said at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.